Look closely at this image. What you are seeing isn't a rough chisel mark left by primitive man. It's a precision cut, an almost perfect circular hole, or a groove etched into solid stone with near-surgical accuracy. For decades, we've been taught a simple narrative: ancient civilizations, operating with basic copper tools and immense manpower, slowly hammered their way into history. But what if the evidence at sites across the globe tells a different story, a story of lost technology, advanced engineering, and machines that shouldn't exist? This isn't about aliens. This is about challenging our assumptions on the level of technical mastery ancient humans achieved. Get ready to rethink history, because today we explore the artifacts that are simply too precise to be primitive. We begin in the Bolivian Andes, at the ruins of Puma Punku. This site is the ultimate anomaly. While many ancient ruins feature large, heavy stones, Puma Punku boasts stones that are intricately cut, almost like parts manufactured on an assembly line. The famous H-blocks have perfect, recurring internal angles and channels, many featuring near-perfect 90-degree corners inside deep grooves. Modern engineers will tell you that to achieve this level of accuracy in hard igneous stone, like andesite or diorite, requires power tools, computer-aided design, and abrasive cutting edges like diamonds. To accomplish this with simple stone hammers is statistically improbable. The question isn't just how they moved the stone, the question is how they managed to cut it with a level of accuracy that rivals modern industrial fabrication. The marks left on these blocks suggest a method of rotary cutting, grinding, and precision measurement that simply does not fit the accepted timeline of human development. They look less like carvings and more like machine-milled parts. The evidence of advanced cutting technology isn't isolated. Travel to Egypt, to the ancient quarries and temple sites, and you find even more compelling examples: stone drill cores. When a primitive bow drill is used, the resulting hole is usually rough, conical, and the stone inside the core is often shattered. Yet, artifacts discovered by Egyptologist Sir William Flinders Petrie show drill cores that have been removed from solid granite, one of the hardest stones on Earth, leaving behind perfectly uniform, deep spiral grooves. These grooves are so consistent they suggest a feed rate and rotational speed far beyond human manual power. The estimated pressure required to achieve these cuts implies the use of a highly efficient abrasive and a high-speed mechanical rotation, essentially an ancient stone cutting lathe or boring machine. These markings are the telltale sign of a machine, not a man with a hammer. They are a signature left by a technological process we cannot yet explain within the accepted historical framework. So, what are we to make of these anomalies? Are archaeologists missing a crucial chapter? Was there a sophisticated, perhaps short-lived, period of technological advancement that predates the known empires of Egypt and the Inca, lost to catastrophe or time? The artifacts speak for themselves. The precision in Puma Punku, the rotational marks in Egypt, these are the clues left by what we can only describe as forgotten machines. The consensus explanation often falls back on extraordinary patience and unbelievable amounts of manpower, but perhaps that's simply the easiest answer, not the right one. These pieces of stone engineering are crying out for a deeper investigation. If you find the idea of lost ancient technology as fascinating as we do, you need to be subscribed to this channel. Hit that like button if you believe these cuts are too precise to be primitive, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into history's greatest mysteries. Let us know in the comments below, what do you think created these impossible cuts?